Mr. Padoan, thank you for joining us today. Can you speak briefly on the importance of restoring confidence in the global economy?
One of the major causes of the current slowdown is a fall in confidence both in the euro area and in the US. That reflects largely an inadequate policy response, again, both in the US, look at the fiscal cliff, and in dealing with the euro area crisis. So this means that policymakers can do a lot of good to the global economy by showing decisive action in the longer term to address the specific problems that would boost confidence and boost activity in both areas.
And you spoke also about the role of strengthening institutions. What kind of institutions have the potential to fuel long-term growth?
Well, certainly in the fiscal side, we would recommend fiscal rules or fiscal councils, which would provide an outside check on the sustainability of public finances and therefore on the possibility of using public sector resources more efficiently. In other words, it's a way of making governments smarter.
And you also said that the OECD has begun to consider a broader set of variables beyond growth. Can you tell us about some of these indicators and why they are important?
Well, certainly we would like to see more growth, but we also would like to see more equitable growth, more inclusive growth, possibly greener growth and more stable growth. This means that whenever we have a policy recommendation, we have to ask, this is going to impact on growth, but what about income distribution? What about environmental sustainability? If we look at those variables more seriously than in the past, we may come to the conclusion that we will have to adjust our policy recommendations to improve generally welfare and not just growth.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.